First of all, volleyball middle blocker, I can see that it's auto-completed. This is a good sign. When I right click Product Mesh US middle blocker, what do I see? 104 competition. Strong. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. One of my subscribers asked me to dig down on the volleyball niche, so this is what we're gonna do today. You as well, if you want me to dig down on a particular niche or you want me to cover a particular subject, please let me know down in the comment. So as we did last time, we're gonna answer a few questions. First of all, we're gonna check if there is any demand or angry buyers by checking the main keyword. And our main keyword here is volleyball. So I copy that, I go to Amazon in incognito mode. Always double check that you have the delivery to here, a address, a zip code of the particular marketplace you want to target. If it's US, then it's gonna be a US zip code. If it's UK or Germany, make sure here you have the UK or Germany zip code. So volleyball here, first of all, I can see that we have a lot of suggestions here from Amazon, but because I'm looking only for the t-shirt, I'm gonna right click on it and go to Productor, Mesh by Amazon, Research US and volleyball. And after that, I'm gonna remove the N hidden keyword here, ORCA, in the address bar. I remove that and I tap enter. What we're gonna do is to check the first 3 or 4 lines. Okay, we can see this one under 100K, this one 110, below 500, below 500. So this is a very good first line. Let's check the second line, below 500K, below 500K, below 500K, below 500K, and the third one below, 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 below. So guys, this is a very, very good niche. A lot of t-shirt on the first 3 rows under 500K. So this is a good indication. So I'm gonna put here yes, okay, yes, and I'm gonna put it maybe in green just to make sure it's here. So now we're gonna check, the second step is to check what is already selling, because we want to do that to create a design that the customer are looking for. So I go back to Amazon, the same line. I can see here that we have a love, simply as that, love with volleyball. Okay, I can see the color. I don't know what happened with the color code, but looks like this kind of color, it's kind of trending. Volleyball, I dig it. It's like funny, so I'm gonna write here funny, volleyball funny. Okay, maybe I'm gonna reduce it. Oops, like that. I go back. Let me roll the mouse. I can see a lot of design, not a lot of quote, except this one, bump set spike repeat. It's a quote again, graphic. I can see volleyball girl. Okay, so this is good to know, volleyball girl. So what we have to do basically is to check on the first 3 or 4 pages what the customer are looking for. I can see a lot of graphics. Okay, it's like image without text. Okay, so maybe we can check for design without text. If you are a good designer, you can design your own. Okay, let's go again on the 4th page, on the 4th row, sorry. Again, funny, again, volleyball girl. Okay, and don't do that, guys. Don't do that. Okay, we all know what is this kind of reel, but don't do that. And again, Volleyball USA, Top Gun. This is a movie. Please don't do that. So yes, definitely you look on the first 3 or 4 pages, see what is already selling. And I can see again here girl. So definitely girl volleyball is something that is really trending, and I see girl volleyball and Christ, and volleyball graphic again, and again volleyball girl here. So this is what we have to do in this exercise. Check what is already selling, and then you go to the next step. The next step is to answer our 3 favorite questions, which are: who is this design for, why are they going to wear it, and how are they going to find it? Okay, who is this design for? The volleyball is a sport, okay? So certainly, because volleyball is a sport, the easiest answer maybe we're gonna say is like volleyball player, okay? And maybe I'm gonna copy that just to go faster. Again, volleyball fan, okay, with all the deviation like fan, fanatics, etc. You can find synonyms of fans, okay? And why not volleyball girl, because we saw that, okay? Again, volleyball coach, okay? So now we have to go to Google and check, because it's a sport, maybe we have the different positions for the different position in this sport. So when you go to Google, you type volleyball position, you see volleyball player position, okay? Setter, outside hitter, opposite hitter, middle blocker, libero, and so on. So this is it, guys. This is what you're gonna do. Instead of designing only for volleyball player, if you want to design for a volleyball player, why not designing a design for a volleyball setter, a volleyball outside hitter, a volleyball opposite hitter, a volleyball middle blocker, okay? Because what you're gonna notice is that if I when I check here on Amazon, volleyball t-shirt, simply as that, you check here, the competition is gonna be 4,000, okay? But if I take here volleyball middle blocker, I'm gonna paste it here when you want to work. First of all, volleyball middle blocker, I can see that it's auto-completed. This is a good sign. When I right click Productor Mesh US middle blocker, what do I see? 104 competition. From 4,000 results with volleyball only to volleyball to 104 volleyball middle blocker t-shirt. Guys, this is how you have to dig down when you are working on a niche. Now you can like the video, guys, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for any future video. Okay, so these are the different player position you're gonna design for, and you have to include this one in your title, in your brand, because the competition is low. You know you know how we are doing stuff here, guys. You create a design for a middle blocker or for an outside hitter, and you put this one in this example here. We're gonna create design, and the first thing we're gonna write in the title is volleyball middle blocker, okay? And then you can add maybe the quote if the quote is known, okay? Or you're gonna find other keyword in order to complete your title and your brand. So this is the answer, guys. This is how you have to dig down. So I'm gonna copy that as we used to do, and if there is any other position, you can add it as well and design for. So on top of this one, you're gonna add this one. Now, why are they going to wear it? Again, this question is because they are setter, they are outside, there's volley girl that like to play volleyball. You answer this question. This question is really to help you create your design. Now, how are they going to find it? Okay, how are they going to find it? To find the answer of this one, we go to Amazon again, and our same volleyball, our main keyword, and as you can see, The extension, the Chrome extension productor is giving us a few more keywords, okay? When you click on the more keywords, but first of all, what you're gonna do, you're gonna ask, instead of page 1, you're gonna go to, let's say, page 3, not to freeze the computer, but on your own you can go up to page 5 or even more, why not, okay? And you wait for productor to grab the keyword for us. So as soon as you have your keyword, you can see the long tail keyword here, the suggested Amazon, the suggested keyword included with search volume. So these are the keywords that people are typing, okay, to find the t-shirt that are on the first page, on the third, up to the third page, okay. So these are the keywords that you're gonna export to Excel or to Google Sheet, okay. And what you have to do, this is a very important exercise, you have to check the competition for each one of them. Of course, you're gonna remove the one that are not relevant to your niche, to your t-shirt. For example, volleyball net is not related, training equipment no, gift you have to check, knee pad you don't use. You export the list and you filter everything that is not related to your design. And when you are done with Amazon, you go to the keyword tool dominator, you enter here volleyball star gift, you do the search, and then volleyball star shirt, you do the search, you will have a bunch of extra keywords that you're gonna export again, put them together with the other list that you were able to grab on Amazon, okay, and you're gonna check the competition for each one of them. And the keyword that have a competition less than 500, these are the keywords you're gonna use to enter in your title and in your brand name. And any other that are relevant, you can put them in the description as well as the bullet point. Okay, so this is an exercise you have to do manually. I won't do it here because I want to save time. But if you want to see exactly how I did it, you can check the previous videos. Okay, there is a lot of information in there. You can go back and check each one of them. So this is what we have to do. Thank you very much for your time. And again, like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you. Have a nice day.